When it comes to improving your home, most homeowners immediately think of kitchen remodels, bathroom upgrades, or landscaping. While these are excellent investments, one of the most overlooked ways to add real value to your property is through professional door installation. In St. James, homeowners are increasingly recognizing how something as simple as replacing or upgrading a door can improve curb appeal, enhance functionality, and ultimately boost property value. First impressions and curb appeal. Your front door is the first thing visitors notice about your home. A stylish, well-installed entry door sets the tone for the rest of the property and creates a welcoming atmosphere. Whether you're planning to stay for years or sell in the near future, curb appeal plays a significant role in how people perceive your home. Upgrading to a modern door design, a customized wood finish, or even an energy-efficient steel or fiberglass door can dramatically transform the exterior. In St. James, where properties often blend classic charm with modern touches, a door upgrade makes your home stand out in the neighborhood. Buyers are more likely to pay a premium for homes that look move-in ready, and a stunning front entry instantly makes a positive impression. Increased security and peace of mind. Safety is a top concern for homeowners and buyers alike. A new door installation not only improves aesthetics but also enhances security. Older doors often come with worn-out locks, flimsy materials, and poor installation that make them vulnerable to break-ins. Modern doors are built with stronger cores, reinforced frames, and advanced locking mechanisms that deter unwanted entry. For St. James homeowners, investing in a secure door is not just about protecting valuables, it's about peace of mind. Buyers appreciate knowing that a home comes with built-in safety features, which increases your property's appeal and market value. Energy efficiency and cost savings. Another major advantage of professional door installation is improved energy efficiency. Drafty doors can drive up energy bills by allowing heat to escape in the winter and cool air to seep out in the summer. Newer models are designed with insulated cores, weather stripping, and energy-saving glass inserts that keep your home comfortable year-round. In St. James, where seasonal weather can bring both chilly winters and hot summers, having an energy-efficient door can significantly reduce utility costs. Homebuyers increasingly prioritize eco-conscious features, making energy-saving upgrades an attractive selling point that adds measurable value to your property. Functionality and everyday comfort. Beyond looks and efficiency, doors play a vital role in everyday convenience. A door that sticks, squeaks, or requires force to close is frustrating to live with. Professional installation ensures your new door fits perfectly, opens smoothly, and functions as intended. Sliding glass doors leading to patios, French doors connecting living spaces, or custom entry doors that complement your home's design all add comfort and versatility. Buyers are often drawn to homes where every detail works seamlessly, and well-installed doors signal that the property has been cared for properly. A smart return on investment. While large-scale renovations can cost tens of thousands of dollars, door installation offers a cost-effective way to achieve an impressive return on investment. According to real estate experts, a quality entry door replacement is one of the top remodeling projects in terms of ROI. The relatively low cost compared to kitchen or bathroom remodels makes it an accessible upgrade with immediate impact. For homeowners in St. James, this means you don't need to break the bank to increase your property's value. A beautiful, secure, and energy-efficient door can make your home more desirable to buyers and improve your own quality of life while you're living there. Final thoughts. Door installation may not always be the first improvement project that comes to mind, but it's one of the smartest investments a St. James homeowner can make. From enhancing curb appeal and boosting security to improving energy efficiency and everyday comfort, the benefits go far beyond aesthetics. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a more stylish and functional home, a professionally installed door can add real, lasting value to your property.